This short video is a confession of just how little I know about photography, cameras, and more specifically lighting. I'm not particularly fascinated by how cameras work, about ISO settings, etc. I'm in the classic point and shoot category and just want a result that's good enough. My setup for close-up product videos is in front of a window, which naturally creates a shadow. Getting rid of the shadows is about to be a crusade, but before I invest time and money in the wrong lighting gear, I wanted to try a couple of cheap options. I saw that ring lights are a thing and spent the grand sum of $15.99 on a generic 10-inch version sold by Wonew. It comes with a load of other accessories, but it seems reasonably well built, especially for the price. Once I worked out that it needed to be about 20 centimeters from the subject, having tried it at a 30 centimeter distance, it started to remove some of those pesky shadows. First experiments provide hope for a brighter future, methinks. More experimentation needed, obviously, and then if it makes enough of a change in the quality of videos and photographs, it might be time to invest in something a bit more professional. As an aside, I tried using a mini LED panel for a while with zero effect, despite adding paper to try and lose seeing the LED lights in every reflected surface. I never got this to work no matter where I placed it. So the concept of using a ring light seems to work, but I suspect I need the same again, just stronger, brighter, and probably wider. It's all good.